Hey, go ahead, Plucky. Okay. Go ahead. You got the jump, Jeans.
I've seen the helmet.
Yeah, you've pretty much ridden it. Dave doesn't like the blind jumps. I don't either. Like Max is gone. Have you done that? No?
Well, I find the step, I can do the hip, but the step up I find, I don't know if you changed it all, but like, you really have to go fast into it.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
I have to session that. I don't know it enough.
Yeah, dribble goes at the top.
Yeah. Well, a lot of them are blind, so you don't know what you're getting
The
into.
only one that I find would be nice to have, like, the little orange flags, is the one before you start going down. The one that's like, just the blind sender before the two corners,
Oh shoot! Yeah, totally.
you know?
Yeah. Much agreed.
Yeah.
I see it. I've never been on there.
So it's brand new, totally rebuilt, and it's like, one of the biggest things.
GoPro, stop recording.